So I hope you got some energy after the break. So sorry that we started a bit later. So now we will start our lesson, and from how are you? So we will start from grammar as usual. Today we are going to cover some grammar parts. So as you can see from the screen, so, nice and nor. So we will cover the difference between them. I hope that most of you will know, but some of the students confuse them. And today I'm going to explain you a bit about this grammar part. So if you are ready, I can start. Ready? Yes.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so let's start.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Madinova.
How are you?
Not bad. What about you?
Fine, thank you.
Cool.
Okay. Hello. So the first one, guys, so nice and or. First of all, let me to ask you a bit. So what do you know about so nice and or? What is the difference between them? Do you know?
So when we agree with something, neither we don't agree. We deny
Negative.
in negative.
We use when we want to talk about two negative things.
Okay, nice. What about nor? So nice and nor.
When we use it when we want to say не то и не это.
They are similar.
They are similar. Yes, you are close to this. Okay. So now let me to explain first of all from so. We will start from so. Okay. When do we use so? Can you read this slide? Who wants to read? First of all, let's read it.
We use
May I?
so to
Yes.
show our argument with positive statement.
Okay. Now, guys, please pay attention to the word agreement. So we use this one so to show our agreement to with what kind of statement?
Positive statement.
Yes, with positive statements. So, for example, somebody told something about positive things. For example, I like chocolate, let's say. And the next person says what? So do I. So this is the agreement with positive statement. So now let's look at the formula. What is the formula for this one? So the first one you write, first of all, you write so, okay, plus auxiliary verb. What kind of auxiliary verb we have? Do, does, to, be. Yes? These are the auxiliary verbs, and plus pronoun. You know what is pronoun, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is pronoun?
Наречие.
Okay, yes. So I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or something else. So all of them are pronouns, okay? So you got the formula. Now let's make a sentence for this formula. Can you see this one? Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now let's look at the example. I'm very interested in learning wildlife. So you can see the wildlife here. So, for example, your friend told this one, I'm very interested in learning wildlife. So, and you agree with your friend and you want to say that me too. That, and instead of me too, you can say that like this one. So am I. So is it suitable for the formula? Look, we put first of all so, then we put auxiliary verb to be, then we put pronoun. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So now let's look at the
Yes.
next example. So let's read about this one. Who wants to read?
Hi.
Have you watched this cartoon?
Of course. All three parts.
Good. Okay. So who wants to read the example? Camila,
May
maybe
I?
you?
I tried to learn driving the car when I was a child.
Okay, so what does this mean? I tried to learn driving the car when I was a child. So again, your friend told that he or she tried to learn actually driving these cars when he was a child, and you agree with his statement, and you also tried to learn when you were a child, and you say like this: so did I. You don't say yes, me too. I wanted also to learn. I wanted also to learn driving the car when I was a child. Instead of this statement, you can say just so did I. Pay attention, guys. These auxiliary verbs actually change according to the tense. So if you talk about past tense, auxiliary verb changes to the past. If it is present, so it should be in the present form. Got it?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
So I also tried to learn. So you can see. Now let's move. Okay. So next one. When do we use neither nor? Neither nor, actually, guys, they are similar. Okay. So you can use both of them. Now let's look first of all to the rule. Who wants to read the rule? Any volunteers? Yes.
We use neither nor when we want to demonstrate our agreement with negative state.
Yes. Now pay attention to the word negative statement, guys. In the first actually slide, you could see that we use so with positive statement, but we use neither nor with negative statement. Also, again, we show our agreement, but our agreement relates to the negative sentence. Okay. So now look at the formula. Again, neither nor you put first of all plus auxiliary verb as so and plus pronoun. So again, the same formula, but instead of so, you put neither nor. Okay. So let's move. Now look at the examples. So who wants to read examples?
Can I?
Yes.
Katie doesn't like meat. She's vegan. Neither do I. Me too.
Yeah. Nice. Very good. So Katie, pay attention to this one. Doesn't like meat. She is vegan. So this is the negative statement. Now your friend also, let's say, doesn't like meat. And he or she tells again, neither nor do I. So here, guys, and pay attention. When you use neither nor, don't use negative statements, okay? So don't put don't, neither, or no, don't I. Okay, you should put positive one, neither nor do I. So this means me too. Here you would agree with negative statement. By the way, guys, do you like meat?
Yeah.
Of course.
Don't we have here vegans?
Yeah.
Don't we have vegans here?
No.
No.
Good, good. Okay, nice. Now look at the next example. So could you read this one also? Who wants to read? Maybe Tevara?
They couldn't play the guitar until they trained a lot. Neither could we.
They couldn't play the guitar until they trained a lot. So this is the actual negative statement, yes? Now we agree with negative statement, and we told also neither or nor could we. Pay attention, guys. Here also you should put the tense, according to the tense, the verbs. For example, if it is in the past tense, you have to put here past. If it is in the present, you have to put it in the present form. Now, guys, we're
Miss Madina, what is
coming.
the difference between neither and nor?
There is no difference. There is no difference. That's why I put them together. Yeah, you can put or neither or nor. Okay, so both of them are correct. They're similar. So now, guys, let's come to the exercises. Okay, so here you are given some exercises. We will do it together. Okay, as usual. First of all, we'll start from this one. Who wants to read? Any volunteers? I need.
Can I read?
Yeah. Okay. Can you read?
I haven't written the essay yet. And nor write. Nor have I.
Nor have I.
Have
Very
I.
good. Correct. Yes. Nice. Good. So here the auxiliary verb, guys, you are given have. Yes. Have
Yes.
it as auxiliary verb. Nice. Second one. Who wants to read?
Can I?
Yes. Faizir.
I am very thirsty. So am I.
So am I. Third one. Jamshid.
Someone help us. Как сказать?
Can I?
Nor.
Yeah.
No, did I?
Nor здесь.
Will I?
Nor will I.
Nor will I.
Yes. Nor or neither will I. Not so. Okay. Because this is the negative sentence. Okay. That's good.
Anthony.
Okay. Good. Next one. Who wants to read next one? Yes.
I can forgive them for what happened, nor can I.
Nor can I. Correct. Next one. Who wants to read next?
Can
I.
I want.
Yes. Yes.
I drink too much coffee. So drink I.
So do I.
So do I.
Do I. Yes. Don't put just verb, okay? You have to put auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means do, does, to be, or have, has. Okay? The next one.
Can I?
Mom was very proud
Indira, do we have
of us.
Indira here?
Yes.
Can I?
Great, Indira.
Mom was very proud of us. So was I.
Mom was very proud of us. You can say so that, so was that. Okay, so here you are talking about mother, and here you can talk about father. You can say so that was that. So was that. Okay. So next one.
Can I?
Yes. Boys.
So will I?
Yes.
Okay.
No. I.
And will be there. So will I. Correct. Good. Next one.
You didn't tell the truth.
Neither did I.
Nor did I.
Okay.
Neither
You
did
didn't
I.
tell the truth.
Neither did I.
Neither did I. Correct. Nor or neither did I. So next one. I watched the match in a pub.
So did I.
So did I. So did I. Very good. Okay, next one. Anastasia. Who we have here? Anastasia? Okay, so...
Can I read it?
Can I?
Okay, yes.
I would really like to go. So do I. Would I?
I would really like to go, so would I. Okay, nice. Very good. Correct. Okay, next one. Who wants to continue?
I have never witnessed anything like this before. Nor have I.
I have never witnessed anything like this before.
Have I?
So have I. Now it's correct. Okay, good. Next one.
Can I
Yeah.
read?
Yes, Nafisa.
I couldn't
The
talk
negative
with the
sentence
director
you-
yesterday.
Can
So
I
did
ask-
I? So could I?
No, so. Neither or nor.
Neither
nor.
nor could I. Yes, because this is negative one. That's why. Okay,
So.
don't put so when it is negative. Green Anastasia.
Can I ask the question? Why in the first sentences we use it to so have I, but I said it's nor have I because the sentences is negative.
Never
In
fit.
first.
This one. I have never
Yes.
witnessed anything like this before.
It will be
Yes.
nor have I.
Nor have I.
We use neither have I.
Neither or not.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, here look. I have never witnessed anything like this before. Yes, actually, it is similar to the negative sentence, but here we don't see actually the negative auxiliary verb. If there were a negative auxiliary verb, in that case you could change it. But now it should be so.
Okay.
Here. Okay. So next one. Hasan Hussan.
Can I?
All of yes. Hasan Hussan is here. Okay. Great.
Brian isn't going to work tomorrow. Neither nor is I.
Am I?
Nor is I.
Nor or neither am I, not is I. Okay. Am I.
Okay.
Very good. Nice. Next one. Who wants to read? Yes.
My father is proud of you. So is my mother.
So is my mother. Good job. Okay, the last
Can
one.
I read?
Yuldash Matova. Yes, Yuldash Matova.
We will not cancel our plans for you. Nor will I.
Yes. Nor or neither will they. Yes.
Great.
Nice. Good job. Okay, guys. Now let's continue our actual lesson with these tests. Also, we'll then check. So here we have how many? Just 10 tests. So we'll do it together quickly. So who wants to read the first one?
Can I?
Is it visible, guys?
Yes.
Not much.
Not so. Okay. Now, clear?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So let's choose. Okay, I will choose first.
Can I?
Green Anastasia is here.
Yes,
Read,
yes.
Anastasia.
I haven't written the essay yet, nor have I.
Neither.
Okay, we will choose.
Have.
Which one? This one?
Have.
Have.
Okay, good. Good, Anastasia. So next one.
Can I?
Yes?
I'm very thirsty.
So am I.
So am
So
I.
am I.
So am I. Okay, nice. So are the options visible for you? These ones, guys?
No, this option.
No.
No.
Okay.
We'll just say
Like this. Okay. What about now?
So
No.
No.
Okay, that is fine. Do by yourself. Someone help us. Neither.
Will.
either
will.
Neither.
Neither. Here we have the name actually. Neither will Scott say. Okay. So next one. Yes, Asadbek.
I can
Smile.
forgive them for what's happened. I can forgive them.
Neither.
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 Yes.
I can't forgive them neither. Okay. So next one.
Can I?
Yes.
I drink too much coffee,
Do
so
I.
do I.
So do I.
So do I. Okay. Next one. 6. Mom was very proud of us. Yes. Safia.
Oh.
And so
Was that?
so was
So
my
what's
father.
that?
So
So
was I.
was. So was.
Dad.
Okay. Nice. Okay. So 7. Yes.
And will be.
So will.
So will
So will she.
So will I.
So will. Okay. So will. Here we don't have I. Here we have a sister actually. Okay. So will her sister. So 8. Who wants to
Can
read?
I?
Yes.
You didn't tell the truth, nor did I.
Nor did. Here we have nor did you. Okay. Next one. Who wants to read? Any volunteers?
Can I?
So did I.
So did I.
Okay.
So did I.
And the last one.
So
And the
would
last
I.
one. I would really like to go.
So
Would I?
So would I.
Now let's check, guys. 1, 2, 3. Actually, your score is 90%, guys. Very good.
mistake.
So
One is
we have just one mistake. Yes, just one mistake. So we will say the first is correct, second correct, third, fourth. Look at the fourth.
Incorrect.
So fourth. Here we have to choose what? Instead of so neither. Okay. We use to in affirmative sentences. Guys, I can forgive them too. It should be to here.
No.
Okay? The others are correct. Okay, nice.
Monica,
Good job.
how
Yes.
correctly we can spell neither or neither?
Neither.
It actually depends because British people say neither.
Yes. There are two options. You can
Americans
say
say
either, neither or neither. So both of them are correct ones.
Okay.
You are welcome. Good. So now let's. So now, guys, could you see this version?
Yes.
The lesson is the version. We will continue our lesson with this version. Again, we will do the tests together today. Okay, now if you are ready, guys, we will start. I will give you some time from first till fourth. Can you read them? We'll check together.
Okay.
Start. Visible?
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Мисс Мадина, можно вопрос?
Да.
Когда вот мы so и neither ставим, как определить между ними, какой глагол ставить?
Sorry, can you repeat?
После того, после so или neither мы же ставим глагол, да. А как определить, какой там поставить?
Глагол?
Да.
Так, смотрите. Look, after so, neither, you have to put auxiliary verb. So, что такое auxiliary verb? Do, does, to be или have, has. Вы должны ставить один из них, хорошо? Например, скажем, I like chocolate. So, here you respond like this. So do I. Потому что здесь стоит like. Should I explain? Okay, wait. I will explain. Wait. Here we have so, neither, nor. Okay, after this one, in the formula I told you put so, neither, nor, one of them. I will just put n, okay? Plus auxiliary verb. Что такое auxiliary verb? Знаете?
Вспомогательный глагол.
Вспомогательный. Да, вспомогательные глаголы. Какие у нас вспомогательные глаголы есть? У нас есть so,
Do, does, did,
да,
have.
Да, у нас есть be, у нас есть to be. To be это значит, вы можете ставить am is are или was were, да?
Am is are.
Или was were. Am is are или was were. I will write here. Was were. И плюс у нас должно стоять сюда, actually, sorry, сюда.
Pronoun.
Pronoun, yes. Here we will put pronoun. So, look, after so, neither, nor, you have to put auxiliary verb. Now let's look at the example. So your friend told, as I gave as an example, I like chocolate. Это в каком тенсе стоит? То есть время какое?
Present simple.
Present simple. Значит, вы должны ставить вместо auxiliary verb один из них, да. Только в present simple. Или do, или does. Который из них получается? So,
Do.
yes, so, do, I. Если I, тогда do. Если he, she, it, тогда so,
So does he.
does she or she. Да, okay, good. So you have to actually find the auxiliary verb according to the tense and according to the pronouns also here.
Нельзя было to be поставить, да?
Нет, потому что, смотрите, у нас же здесь стоит это, verb. Если бы здесь стало бы I am teacher. Я
So am I.
учитель. Да.
So am
Здесь
I.
уже должно быть so am I. Понятно?
Yes.
So am I.
So am I.
Okay, so you look to the first sentence.
Можете объяснить, когда еще either ставить?
Either? Okay, good.
Да.
So either, Jasmine, it's you, yes? So either I will explain
Yes.
next lesson because today you will be a bit confused if I explain again either also, okay? So because they are big actually grammars, that's why you will be a bit confused. That's why next lesson I will explain it deeply, okay?
Okay.
Nice. Okay, thanks. In that case, let's read. Who wants to read the first one?
Can I?
Yes, yes.
Can I?
Start. Yeah.
They want to
They
go
want-
to business.
By developing. Answer is B.
Okay, so they want to grow the business by better links with Europe. Answer is B. One, using B. Okay, we will see. So all of you agree with this answer?
Yes.
Yes.
They want to grow the business by developing better links with Europe. Very good. The B is the correct answer. Now let's look at the second one. Asadik.
Driving to work is far easier than taking a bath, but it's bad for the environment.
Which one?
D.
D1. Very good. D is the correct answer. Good job, guys. So next one, third one. Erkinova, Shahzoda?
Bringing up chicken is hard work, but
Okay, but
many
very
worthwhile at the same time.
worthwhile at the same time. Okay, bringing up
Maybe
children
this
is hard work, but
very
Much.
Lots.
okay,
cannot be
get
much
rid
or
of many. So the many
Yeah,
exactly
lots.
not correct one. Lots also.
Wait.
B and A should be get read
very
out. So it should
Very.
be C or D one. Very. Bringing up children is hard work, but very worthwhile
Very,
at the
maybe.
same time. Okay,
Yeah.
very good. The correct answer is D one. Very. So the fourth. Yes, I
Most academics agree that meaning in any language relies on context.
Most academics agree that meaning in any language relies on context. Okay, very good. So the correct answer is A1. Nice.
Can I read the next one?
Ready? Yes. Yes. The first person.
So she said that anybody in the team who wants to apply for the job was welcome, so I did.
So she said that anybody in the team who wanted to apply for the job was welcome, so I did. Okay. Who wants to apply for the job was welcome. Okay, anybody. So exactly, not anything, exactly, not nothing. Yes, we have C and D. Anybody and nobody.
Anybody.
Nobody.
Guys, yeah, the correct option here is nobody, actually.
Nobody.
So she said that nobody in the team who wanted to apply for the job was welcome. So I did. Anybody, guys, use it mostly in questions, okay? Here we have negative, that's why we should use D1, nobody.
Anybody always in the question, yeah?
Yeah, mostly in questions.
Oh, okay.
Miss Medina, can I ask a
Yes.
question? But it's not about that. The word forced to or the phrase forced to is used for used as an adjective or as a verb. For example, I'm forced to do something, or I force it to without I am.
In that case, you look at the passive voice form. So if you are forced by somebody, in that case, of course, you have to say, I am forced. Okay?
But
so
actually, it's a verb.
Yeah, of course. Actually, it is a verb, not adjective.
Okay. It means that the sentences will be, I forced little brother to do his homework.
In that case, you are using here not actually passive voice. Here you are using active voice.
Yeah.
I forced my brother to actually clean my room, for example, to tidy up my room. In that case, you are using active voice. Here we see that you forced your actually brother, yes? If you say, my brother was or is forced to tidy up my room by me, in that case, you are using to be also because it is passive voice in the passive voice form.
Okay, thanks.
Марика, можно
Ready?
Там написано the city of London, which, типа там уже ответ дано,
It's the 8th sentence.
Which one?
Восьмое.
The city of London, which was founded by the Romans, has a population 9 million. Okay. Yes, actually, here, guys, actually, you have the answer. Look, A, B, D should be get read out. Here, the best option is that one. Yes, the city of London, that which was founded by the Romans, has a population 9 million. So there could be the sentences like that. Therefore, the best option here is C1. Okay?
Okay.
Nice. Okay, can we start the first one?
Can I read?
Who wants to read? Erkinova.
Can I?
Can you read? The first one?
Police and time fluent to make difficult
Okay, Udirbaeva. Okay. So politicians are employed to make difficult
Preferences.
preferences on behalf of the electorate. Look, electorate. Что такое electorate?
Maybe votes.
Yes, the correct answer is vote. What do you do in electorate, guys? You vote, yes? Yes, electorate is election. It's like election. That's why the best option here is C1, votes, okay? Not preferences.
Okay.
So next one, 7.
Can I?
Yes.
They really
Yes,
wanted
boys,
to play a game of tennis. Just tennis.
They really wanted to play a game of tennis this morning, but it was too wet. Here, guys, you put what? B?
B? Yes.
The.
Are you
correct?
Because the sport, we don't use the article at all. It's zero article before the sports.
Maybe C or B.
Okay. So, okay, in that
Or
case,
A.
guys,
Maybe it's A.
Yes, actually the correct answer is A, guys. Guys, they really wanted to play a game of the tennis this morning. Wait, guys. Here we have this sport, yes? In that case, game of tennis should be, yes, you were B1 is the best option, okay? Not Z. Because here you are given the name of the game.
The general,
That's why, yes, with the names of the game, you don't put article. But in other cases with off, guys, you have to put Z, okay? In other cases.
Okay.
But
Okay,
before
nice.
the sport activity, we have zero article.
What? Can you repeat?
Before the sport and sports game, we don't use any article.
Yes. Okay, good. So now let's look at the 8th one. Who wants to read?
We
It's
already done.
Wait, sorry, 9.
Can I?
Yes, Faizi.
Federer has a knee injury, so it's doubtful if he will make Wimbledon this year.
So it is doubtful if he will make Wimbledon this year. Nice, good. And 10?
Can I?
Yes.
Next week on the 17th June, we were interviewing for the new teaching post.
I think it
Next,
will be B1.
Aren't you?
We were interviewing.
No, you have A1.
Yes, very
We
good,
are
guys. So
interviewing.
why it is B1?
Because it's next week.
Present tense in the future.
To say about the plan in the future.
Yes, nice, good job. The first reason is next week. This is the future one. Yes, that's why. And the second one, we are interviewing for the new teaching post. So you are not being interviewed by somebody. Here we cannot use actually passive voice form. Here it is given in the active voice. That's why we put B. But these options are in the passive voice forms. Okay.
Miss Malika, what is correct answer 9?
Doubtful.
Yeah.
A.
For 9, the answer is A1, doubtful. Okay, let's move on. So you are given from 11th till 15th. Okay, the first one, Rano. I want to listen to Rano.
Thank you, yes, so great.
Okay.
The virus is a street to the Olympics and is passed on by mosquitoes.
Good job. Next one, so the correct answer is C1, 12th. Jamshid.
Which
Okay,
Jamshid? Yes. The new baby has woken at 5 a.m. yesterday morning and started crying for milk.
I think it's C1 because we have some time.
Exact time.
Walk just, baby.
Yes, actually the correct answer is A1, woke, okay?
Just,
Why we cannot put has woken? Because it is not given in the actually present perfect simple form, because we have exact time expression here yesterday. And we cannot put will have woken or will be waking because
it's in future.
Yes, because in the future given form. So that's why the best option is A1. 13th.
Can I?
Yes, Alimov.
Thank you.
In a restaurant, you usually pay for your food once you have eaten.
Good job. Next one. So you got answer B1, yes? 4.
Yes.
14.
Yeah.
Can I?
Yes, Jasmina.
While cycling to school from Norway, I saw a kid run into the road, so I had to stop it very quickly.
I had stopped it very quickly. Good job. And the 5th one, when I saw my teacher this morning, I
was able to ask him the result of our test.
Do you remember the could and was able to?
Yes.
So, okay, when I saw my teacher yes, this is special occasion. That's why the best option is was able to. Very good, guys. So B1, correct one. Nice. Okay. Now we will move to the next version. Okay. So, could you see?
Yes.
Yes.
From first one till 5th one. Ready?
I've done.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you are ready, we will check together. So the first one, Ghalib.
From the moment I saw Maradona in the 1988 World Cup, I have wanted to be a footballer.
Very good. The best option is here. I have wanted. A1. Yes. Good. So second one. Any volunteers now? Aziza, we have here Aziza. Can you read, Aziza?
British people are a nation of tea drinkers. They increasingly like coffee toast, which is their second hot drink choice.
Good job. There. So next one, third one. Who wants to read?
Can I?
Yes. Indira.
Every month, the head teacher gives a talk to his team.
Good job. B1, because here we have the keyword of present simple. Next one, Shahzadeh. Can you read? Erkinova?
The decision to have a referendum on Britain's membership of Europe was forgotten. Was thought to have made by the last government.
Good job. The correct answer is have been made. Very good. So you are going so fast and so correctly, guys. Good job. The 5th one.
Can I read?
Yes.
Despite working in the same team, they often had a difference of opinion.
Had a difference
of opinion.
Why it is not different? Who told it A1?
Because different is not noun.
Different is adjective.
Yes, different is adjective. And guys, here we have the word of. Yes? You cannot say different of opinion. You can say different opinions, but without of. Here we have of. That's why here we have to put the noun form. Okay, the difference. That's why the correct option is
why is the first answer A?
Why? Sorry, can you repeat?
The first question. Why answer is A? First question.
This one. First question. This one.
Yes.
Look, because from the moment I saw Maradona, yes, so this means from the moment in the past, in the 1980 World Cup, I have wanted to be a footballer. This is actually the formula of present perfect simple, guys. Yes.
It's like since.
Yes, since it's like since. Yes, since I saw Maradona. So from the moment since I saw Maradona, I have wanted to be a footballer. Here, this is the actually keyword of present perfect simple. So instead of since, they just put from the moment. Okay. And this is continuing even now also. So it is going to, actually it is continuing from the past till now. That's why here we put present perfect simple form, not has wanted, because here we could see I. That's why you get rid of this one. Not I'm wanting, because want is actually what kind of verb?
Stative.
Stative. You cannot say I'm wanting, okay? So next one, had wanted. You cannot put had wanted because it is past perfect. The tense here is not in the past perfect simple form. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, nice. So let's continue. From the sixth one till fifth. Visible?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, in that case, let's check. So the first one, who wants to read?
Can I read?
Ghalib.
A reference should always start with to, whoever it may concern.
To whom?
It may concern.
Yes, the correct answer is to whom. Okay, to whom it may concern, not whoever. Okay, don't say whoever. Okay, next one. Seven. Yes.
Until electric lighting was put in houses, the hardest thing was being able to read at night time.
Good job.
Right.
Yes, the hardest. Very good. 8.
May I?
Yes, Tag July.
George is a massive fan of Dr. Dre and has every album he has produced.
Good job. You put nothing. Yes. Okay, nice.
Yes.
9.
Can I?
Yes, Camila.
When you visit Istanbul, a lot of history through the city.
A lot of history throughout the city. Good job. So next one, 10.
Can I
read the 10? Yes, idea.
There are a lot of cities in Europe where museums are free to enter.
Very museums are free to enter.
Yeah.
Good job, guys. Nice. Now let's do actually 11th and 12th together. So who wants to read 11th? Any volunteer?
Can I?
Yes, girls, one of you.
The idea of Britain staying in Europe has
Raised me.
The idea of Britain staying in Europe has raised on me. Nice, good job. Has raised on me.
C.
So 12th, it's B. It's C. Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Can I read?
Yes. For
For
musicians.
musicians, the hardest ever skill is knowing when not to play.
Good job. The hardest.
Yeah.
And 14th, 13th, 14th, 15th together again. Who wants to read?
I want.
Okay. Susan was not going to
Rearrange.
Rearrange. Okay, rearrange the supplies from the same company because the prices had
You do
increased.
more reorder.
Yes, good job. Reorder. Who told it?
Just
I
me.
am too.
Good job. Good
Jasmina.
job, Charles. Yeah, Jasmina. So B1 is very good. The best option. Order, it means
Порядок.
заказать. Да,
заново.
reorder. Заказать заново. Yeah,
А
you
цену
can
увеличились потом.
Yes, good job. The B1 is the correct answer. So 14.
Can I?
Yes, Faizi.
They decided to have a picnic in the park in spite of the rain that had been forecast.
Yes,
However.
good job. In spite of. No. However,
Not
if you
However,
they decided to have a picnic in the park in spite of the rain. That no, guys. However, should not be put here. Why? Because they decided to have a picnic in the park. What does it mean? Они решили сделать пикник в парке, несмотря на то, что там было
In spite of
Что там был ливень.
дождь. Да, здесь, guys, in spite of means несмотря на то. То есть они решили сделать пикник, несмотря на то, что там было в лесу было дождь. Now, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, nice. 15th.
Can I read?
Finding a
That's
well-paying
me.
job is not easy.
It's not easy. Okay, continue.
So it's important. You are well qualified.
Finding a well-paid job is not easy, so it is important you are well qualified. Yes. So is the best option. Nice, guys. So actually you did all of the exercises very fast, very quickly, and you did most of them actually correctly. So our lesson is going to finish for now. After this one, you have 1 hour break, as you know. After we will continue our lesson. So any questions regarding to the session? to this session.
After the article of we must ставить the только тогда, когда мы видим, то есть если там после of есть спор, то мы не должны ставить the, да?
Да.
Но,
But in other
когда
cases
мы
you have to
делали
put
упражнение, там было после of имя, и мы тоже не вставляли the.
Да, если там есть имя, там есть sport и имя, in that case you have to put nothing. Okay? Instead of names, instead of sports, in that case you have to put, despite of sports and names, you have to put the articles after all. So when there is a name and when there is the types of sport, so in that case you have to put nothing.
And what time does the lesson?
Can I?
Yes. Read, boys. Who told can I first? One of the boys. Read.
She's certain she last saw the mobile phone at lunchtime yesterday.
So, yes, the correct option is so. Second one.
I can.
Yes, Yavara.
The smallest room in the school was the teacher's staff room. It's A.
It's A. The teacher's staff room. Correct. Third one. Why isn't there
anything more we can?
Anything more we can.
It is all vegetarian. Why isn't there?
Why the second one is A?
Why? Because look, here we can see the plural form of teachers. Yes, here we have C. Here you should put what? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun can be shown with article and article s. When we have actually teachers in the plural form, after s you have to put just article,
apostrophe.
Apostrophe, not article, sorry. Apostrophe. And after apostrophe, you don't have to put s. So that's why the best option is here. We have here teachers room also, teachers, this one also. But here, look, the staff room should be actually, in the staff room work actually not one teacher, so more teachers. That's why we put in the plural form, not in the singular one. Okay. So next one, fourth. We stopped at
Can
fourth,
I
yes?
read?
Yes.
Lessons would usually start in 5 minutes late.
In 5 minutes late. Okay, good job.
Can I?
A1. Yes.
It was important we spoke to them so they understood the problem.
It was important we spoke to them so they understood the problem. Okay, good job. So the best option is C1. Okay, nice. So from 6 till 10. Visible?
Yes.
Okay, good. Most of you done. In that case, let's check. So the first one, 6. Who wants to read?
In my view, going on diet is a complete waste of time.
Yes, complete waste of time. Nice. Not complex, complexity. Yes. Next one.
There is very little evidence to show that drinking coffee is bad for your health.
Good job. There is a very little evidence. 8-1.
The money has been very
useful. Hardly. Because when I don't regret selling both.
Hardly. You put hardly.
Harder.
Yes.
No. Most of you.
Maybe.
Harder. Which one?
Harder.
Yes. The best option here is harder. The money has been very useful. Also, harder a week goes by when I don't regret selling both. So harder a week goes. It is harder and harder. Yes, 9.
All of the friends that I have help keep on the straight and narrow because I can see them whenever I want.
All of the friends that I
have
help keep me. Yes, okay, good job. The best option is B1. So 10. Nafisa.
The restaurant food, which was completely bad, made me complain to the manager.
which was completely bad. Yes, completely is the best option. B1 correct. Nice. So let's continue. So 11th and 12th. Okay, who wants to read together? We will do it.
Can I read?
I want.
Hilda Shmatova.
Alex Ferguson, who was now retired, spent his childhood playing football in his hometown.
Spent. Good job. A1. So 12. Yes, Ashmetova Rano.
I can.
When we are applying for a job, it's really important to include an interesting and personal statement.
Good job. When you apply for a job, A1 is correct. Nice.
What is correct answer in 11?
A. 11 spent. A1.
Spent.
You see?
Yes.
Quickly do it. You have 5 seconds. Nice. So from 13 till 15. Yes, read.
When I realized I had won 9 million pounds on the lottery, I was very excited to take it all in.
I was very excited to take it all in. Okay, nice, good. So actually, guys, very is good option. All of you agree with very? Yes.
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 Maybe
So guys, here the best option is 2. Why 2? Why not very? What do you think?
Because 2 means so. I was so happy.
Yes, good. Look, very and 2, they are actually similar, but 2 is like stronger form. Guys, when you win 9 million pounds, pounds, yes, you will be too actually excited, not very excited, okay? Not just very excited. So that's why think logically when you answer, okay? So the best option here is A, 2. Okay, next one, 14.
Can I read?
Yes. That's Mina.
London is around 50 miles from Britain, so I will travel as
will
about
take.
1 hour.
It will take.
Yes, it will take, not I will.
The same stake.
Yeah, okay. So it will take us about an hour by car. So the B1 is the best option. So 15.
Can I?
Aziza?
Can I?
This.
No, this is
Okay, Aziza is not here.
From one day.
Hasan.
From day one of these reasons I love this job was the noisy environment.
Maybe one.
Of the
No, it's of the reasons.
The reasons, yes. As we told, guys, after of you have to put the article there. Why not this? Why not this? Because before that, guys, we don't have any options to choose this or this. That's why, okay, this and this is not the correct answer. The one also. That's why the best option is here, A1. From day one of the reasons I love this job was the noisy environment. The best option is A1. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions regarding the test?
No.
Quickly. Okay, the first one. I can't go to the presentation.
Neither can I.
Okay, nice. Next one. I'm not going out tonight.
Neither am
Neither
I.
am I. Neither am I.
Okay, I chose B1. Okay, good. So next one. I haven't got time. Neither.
A1.
Have I. Good. Next one. I went for a run this morning.
So did I.
Yes,
Madina. Choose 2 correct answers.
Wait. Yeah, okay, choose 2 correct answers. Okay, which one?
C.
D.
And
Question
the
2 was
we should choose two
A
correct
and
answers.
It's D. A and D.
Actually, I think it's D. Okay, do we have this? Okay, here also you have to choose 2 correct options. Neither am I.
Maybe
I'm
it's
not
D.
going out either.
I'm not
Is
going
it?
out.
D1.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Good. Nice. Okay, next one. I never go to the cinema.
Never do I.
Never do I.
Never do I.
Am I? No.
So nice.
So am I. So am I.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So am I?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually,
So
neither
am
do
I.
I.
Look, guys.
Neither do I.
Negative. Never.
Yeah. Actually, here it is going to be negative. And look, guys, here we have am, yes? But here we have actually the verb, the real verb. That's why you cannot put here actually to be form. That's why. So in that case, we have just this option, because these options are incorrect. Here we have to be. Here, this is the not correct form. That's why the best option is A1 here. Now let's go to the next page. Okay. Sophia isn't coming with us.
And
neither is Emily.
neither is Emily.
Okay. B1, yes, you chose. Okay, nice.
Yes.
7.
So do I.
So do I.
8.
Neither was I.
Neither was I.
One and
Neither was I.
Okay. I wasn't given.
A and D.
I was. You chose. Okay. You chose A and D. Okay. So 9. I thought it was difficult.
Neither.
So did I.
Okay, good. And the 10th. I
Neither
didn't
did
enjoy
I.
the phone.
I did. It's D1.
C and D.
C and D.
C, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So
Все
here we
активные
chose.
такие, а?
Okay. 9. Yes. Let's check answers, guys. 100% correct, guys. So you don't have any mistakes for this one. Good job, actually. Okay, nice. So any questions regarding this one?
No question.
No questions.
No questions. Okay, we will check today. Okay, don't worry. So I think for now we will check it and we will send it. So we have actually again 1 hour break. Yes, that's why after 1 hour break we will send you your homework. Have you actually sent it? Have you sent it, Jasmina?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, you sent. Yeah, you sent it to Miss Malika.
Half of homework I sent.
Half of the homework. I think you sent it a bit later. That's why we didn't actually send it to you. But we will actually send it to you after the 1 hour break. Okay. But don't worry, we'll send to you 100% surely. Okay. So any questions regarding today's actual grammar part?
No question.
No question. No. Okay, good. In that case, guys, I have one reading for you. So this one. Can you read it quickly, then answer to this question?
Only one question?
Yeah, we will move.
Done.
Done?
Да.
Okay, nice. So let's check. The first one, 1 day. Which answer is correct one?
C.
It's not enough to see the river Thames. Can you prove your answer, guys? In that case, where did you
First
find
sentence that a day there really is so much to do on the river and nearby that a day isn't long enough.
Very good. So that actually, yes, as usual, you should find for the first question the answer from the first paragraph. Okay, nice. Now, can you see the second one?
Yes.
Could you see?
Yes.
Answer to the second one. The word stroll in the text can be best replaced with.
B.
Yes, B.
B1.
Good job. B1. So stroll means walking. Yes.
Okay.
So let's move on. Okay, the Thames is best explored. Is it visible?
Yes.
The text is
The text. Okay. In that case, could you remember the answers? Could you quickly write it? Then I will move to text. Okay, now look at the text.
Previous sentence.
A1. The sense is best explored by both. All of you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Good. Now let's move to the next one. Robin Hood. So
Robin
here you
Hood.
can see the Robin Hood. Okay, so actually most of you send the correct answers. Now let's check, okay, together. So the first one, what does the word who refer to in the first sentence? Here we have the word who, yes? What
Yes.
is that word? Yes, good job. It
Robin
refers to Robin Hood. Nice. So when did the legend of Robin Hood become popular? When it became popular?
Late medieval period.
It's his answer.
Late of, okay, nice, good job. So next one, 24th, where can you see Robin Hood today?
He's died.
In literature, film,
Date.
Lincoln Head.
Okay, good job. So the answer you can see here, yes, guys. So Robin Hood became a popular folk figure in the late medieval period and continues to be widely represented in literature, films, and television. So today we can see, so represented means demonstrated, show. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so literature, films, and television. Okay, good job, guys. So for now, guys, actually our lesson is going to be finished. Yes. So now 8 questions again for the today's session. No questions.
No questions.
In that case, see you guys after the break time. And we'll send you some homework regarding today's actually grammar part. Okay. So do the grammar part also. Okay. When we send you, do it and send to the real science. Actually we have link. Yes, for this one. Send to this link and we will check and send to you your actually marks, your answers. Okay. So see you next lesson, guys. Goodbye.
Thank you for the lesson.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Thank you.